Let's start. Contacts +40. Highlights -40. Shadow +5. Whites -40. Blacks +49. Let's move to the curve. Take screenshots of it, or you can copy it in the given preset. Go to the colors. Tint +10, vibrance +20. Saturation +20. Let's move the color mix. Red color saturation -50. Orange color hue -10. Saturation -50. Luminance +30. Yellow color hue -80. Saturation -50. Luminance +10. Green color saturation -50. Aqua color saturation -50. Blue color saturation -80. Purple color saturation -80. Purple light color saturation -80. It's done. Let's go to color grading. Shadow color hue +195. Saturation +10. Blending +100. Balance -20. Highlights hue +60. Saturation +20. Color grading is done. Now the effect settings remaining. Clarity +20. Dehaze +20. Noise reduction +15. Detail +50. Color noise reduction also 15. And smoothness is +50. Let's copy settings and apply to other images.